Hi guys and welcome back. In this video, we'll be talking about Lambda functions. Lambda functions are used to get inputs, do a small amount of processing, and return outputs. Functions can do two things. They can perform an action, or they can return an output, or they can do both. For example, the print function is one that performs an action. It shows something to the user, but it doesn't really modify the data it receives and give you some new data. However, if you have a function such as this divide function, which takes two numbers and processes them and returns some output, this could be a good function to use in a Lambda function. The print function, though, would not be. That is because Lambda functions are used to take inputs and return outputs. If you wanted to rewrite this function, which at the moment is a normal function, into a Lambda function, you can do this. Here we are creating the Lambda function, and we are assigning it to the divide variable. If we do this, we no longer need this. The structure of the Lambda function is as follows, and I appreciate it's a bit confusing because of its short nature and the amount of symbols involved. You've got the Lambda keyword, then you've got a space, then you've got a list of parameters. So these are the inputs to the function. Here we've got two different inputs, one called x and one called y. Then after a colon, you have the return value of the function. So this function here takes two inputs and returns the division of the two. So again, it is identical to this function here, because this one also takes two inputs and returns their division. This one also returns their division, even though it doesn't have an explicit return statement. This is what Lambda functions do.